Okay, so today we'll be doing a brake pad replacement on the RS5. Here are the tools you will need. So begin by removing our fender with a 3mm hex tool. So you'll have to remove these 4 bolts. Now set your fender to the side and grab your 5mm hex tool. We will need to remove the 2 bolts on the side of the caliper right here. So remove these 2 bolts with your tool. Like so. Now we can take our brake caliper off. You will see this pin right here with the bent ends. Now we just have to grab our pliers and bend this pin back. So, and then you just pull apart or pull out the pin. All we have to do is squeeze the brake pads and pull them out. Now get your new brake pads and put the bracket on as they were before. Like so. Same thing with the other one. It should look something like this. All we have to do is put the new brake pads in, just squeeze them and push them in. Now get your pin, slide it through from the outside of the caliper all the way to the other side. Now bend the pin with your pliers. Once you have your brake pads in and in place, you can put your caliper back on the disc. And install your bolt holding the caliper and the bracket. So tighten both as much as you can, like so. And lastly, just install your fender. That's it.